Hey guys, it's Volt Pikachu here, and seriously, look at this, guys. Look at all the swearing. I have no idea. Whoever you are. Don't check your Facebook, by the way, that was mine. And that was my phone, too, sorry. So, see, look at this. Sorry, that was me. I dropped the bean. And then, yeah, what King said. With free chat, evidently, everyone's just saying that. And it's like, Animal Jam's chat logic. You can't type in slashes, and your messages get blocked for being inappropriate if they aren't inappropriate at all. But oh, you can say swear words. That's perfectly okay. Nobody cares, Animal Jam. You want to stand up, cloak? All right, I'll. Oh. I know I've got a Phantom Cloak. If she actually accepts, I'll be surprised. Yes! So you're reporting everyone in that area? I'm only over here so I can record this crap. And everyone's saying hammer a lot, too. Why? I don't know. So, yeah, guys. The first person I saw doing this, oh, I'll go back up there, was Bunny Cupcake 1, 2, 3, 4, and oh, she's offline now, but and now all of a sudden just everyone's doing it. Everyone with free chat. I don't know who started this crap. And why is Animal Jam allowing this? I mean, they'll block messages for being inappropriate even if they aren't, and you'll get warnings for no reason. But they'll let you say swear words and they don't care. Go home, Animal Jam. You are majorly drunk. Right? Anyways. So yeah, guys. Yeah, and you can't really click them all, but thanks. And exactly. This is a kids game. I mean, you know what? I'm 13 years old, almost 14, and I like this game, but I know there'll be like little kids on here too. And so you gotta be really careful and make sure you're being appropriate. But like seeing this, it's unacceptable. Just, oh my god. And I was not reading that, that was my reaction upon seeing everyone swearing. Yeah, I'm hoping this is just a glitch. It's a nasty glitch. Because if Animal Jam is actually letting that slide through without it being a glitch, that would just be, that'd be screwed up. So yeah. Yes, thank you. You had to choose the word hammer, except she said chose. But I know what you meant, so who cares? Screw spelling. And also kind of screw the English language because it's so confusing. As in, like, some things being spelt the way, not the way that they're supposed to be. They're supposed to sound like how they would be. Just, you get my gif. And that's not even... Right? Whoever said that. So the hammer thing's annoying, and the swearing thing is just, well, unacceptable. Yeah, they're just lucky Gator isn't here right now. She would kick their butts. Yeah, I'm gonna... What? Right? Random pie 1, 2, 3, 4. I love you. Oh, I wanted to... Yeah, phone's ringing. And yes, Jeopardy jingle is seriously my ringtone because I'm obsessed with Jeopardy. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Had to let the dog in. Okay, so... kind of looks like it's stopped. Shut up, Lucky. Yeah, I'm assuming it's a glitch, but... for a minute there, I actually thought maybe it would shut up, they'd shut up now, but... me being the scrub I am... yeah, if I get suspended for this, even though I did not swear at all, I will get ticked off. Right? Right? We just need to understand that society is broken. Right? Guys? I didn't want to click that. I keep clicking that for some reason. I keep kicking random people too. Without wanting to. Kids game, kids don't say bad words. I can definitely... That was my Facebook and my phone again. Anyways, I know kids that swear. I mean, heck, I live with an 8-year-old. That's my dog, sorry. Well, ban everyone. Again, if I get... It's full of scammers, too. Right? And whores and... Exactly, that's Animal Jam HQ's method. Just ban everyone. For no reason. I mean, some of these I can see the reason, because they're swearing and all. But if I get banned for this, then... Holy fudge, will I throw a fit. I guess if it was like just a couple day suspension, that would be fine. But if I would get like permanently banned, I would get so mad. Oh, crap. I've only got a couple seconds left on here, so I'm just going to have to stop this here. I might do a part 2 later. I have no idea. It depends on how long this is going. So for now, Volt Pikachu, signing out.